Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore how to customize the hover color for menu links in the Divi menu module. Adjusting the hover color allows you to enhance user experience and keep your website's design consistent with your branding. It's a simple way to guide visitors' attention and improve navigation feedback. Let's dive in to see how it's done. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to set a custom hover color for menu links using the Design tab in the Divi menu module settings. This method is great if you want to make your menu links more interactive and visually appealing without needing to write any custom code. Here's the process. You'll start by creating a new page, adding a menu module, and then adjusting the hover state under the menu text color option. It's a simple and intuitive way to ensure your menu links align with your website's branding while enhancing user interaction. Once you've added the menu module to your page in the Divi Builder, the first step is to access its design settings. Open the Settings panel for the module. At the top, you'll see several tabs. Navigate to the one labeled Design. Once there, find the Menu Text section and expand it. This will reveal various text styling options you can customize. In the Menu Text section, locate the setting labeled Menu Text Color. When you hover your mouse over this label, a small icon that looks like a mouse pointer will appear next to it. Clicking on this icon will open up different state options. From here, select the hover state, which is also represented by a pointer icon. This allows you to customize the color your menu links will display when hovered over. With the hover state selected, you can now choose your preferred color. Simply use the color picker to click on the color you want. This will define the hover color for your menu links, meaning visitors will see this color when they move their mouse over the menu. It's an effective way to make your navigation more interactive and visually appealing. After choosing your hover color, it's important to save your changes. First, click the green checkmark in the bottom right corner of the Menu Module Settings panel. Then, make sure to save your page in the Divi Builder. This will ensure all your adjustments are applied to your site. Once you've saved your changes, it's time to preview your result. Head over to the front end of your site and hover your mouse over a menu link. You should now see your new hover color in action. This simple update makes your menu more engaging and visually aligned with your website's branding. And that's it. Setting a custom hover color for your menu links in the Divi menu module is a quick and effortless way to enhance your site's navigation. With just a few simple adjustments, no coding required, you can create a more interactive and visually appealing experience for your visitors.